Hello, my name is James Houck, and my partner in this project is Joshua Portillo, and we decided to do our project on whether or not there was a relationship between a person's hand size and how far they can throw a football. During this project, we used pro-size football, tape measure, 25 feet. We used a ruler to measure people's hands, and we used PVC piping to mark each set of 25 feet to simplify our measurements. Now, let's find out and see if there was a relationship or not.
When you're ready. When you're ready. Ready. Now when you're ready. Now when you're ready. Oh, I'm getting this on tape. Everyone judge. Everyone judge. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Like kick with your foot when you throw. Do it. Oh. Yep. Oh my god. When you're ready. Yes, I beat you!
Josh.
What?
We're rolling.
We are?
We're rolling.
Is that why I'm holding my tablet right now?
Yep.
Alright. Well,
Why don't you tell me what's on it?
the graph. The
Graph of
is
what?
on it. The graph that we made our experiment out of, basically.
Mm-hmm.
And what we basically put on this graph was our data. And on graph is the distance of how far the people threw and their hand sizes. What we measured as the distance was in feet, and I believe. And for the hand size, we measured it in centimeters or meters. What was it?
Centimeters.
Centimeters.
Those would be some massive hands.
Centimeters. And as you can see, as the line goes up and as the hand sizes goes up, you know, the farther you throw. But as the hand sizes go down, you know, that's where a lot of the people's hand sizes were. But they also threw relatively far. So basically, you know, coming to a conclusion on this graph, we found out that it doesn't really matter of how much hand size you have, of how big your hands are. It just matters how much you put power into the throw. So,
Anything else you would like to tell the people back home?
it doesn't take skill to throw a football.
Are you sure?
Just throw it. Am I sure?
Are you sure that doesn't take skill?
Yes.
things we could have done to improve our project were we could have used a football that everyone could have thrown, a smaller size. We could have marked the end of the football with a substance so that it could easily spot where it landed. We could have used more people in the fields in order to give a definite landing point of the football. We could have used a longer tape measure to measure longer distances, or a more accurate tape measure so we can measure how accurate the pass actually was. And we could have had a bigger sample size than 25 people.
We've come to the conclusion that there is no relationship between the hand size of someone's hand and how far they throw the football, because in the end, we've noticed that there is a difference between people that have the same hand size and how far they can throw the football, and some of them threw it farther and some of them threw it, not that far. So that's our conclusion. Oh, shoot. Might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Statistics here, you can take a break. This is Z-score, a T-score you can find. With them all like I don't care, baby. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a mean without a range. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like I'm meeting you without a moan. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like chip, jazz, and equality. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do.